Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you exactly why YouTube TV keeps asking you to sign in and how to fix it step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. Check your account credentials. Make sure you're using the correct Google account linked to your YouTube TV subscription. If you have multiple Google accounts, confirm that you're signed in with the right one. Step 2. Enable Stay Signed In. When signing in, make sure the Stay Signed In option is checked. This helps prevent YouTube TV from logging you out repeatedly. Step 3. Clear browser cache and cookies. If you're using a web browser, open your browser settings and clear the cache and cookies. This removes outdated session data that can cause sign-in issues. Step 4. Update the YouTube TV app. Open your device's app store and check for updates. Installing the latest version of the YouTube TV app can fix bugs and improve performance. Step 5. Disable browser extensions. If you're watching in a browser, extensions like ad blockers and VPNs may interfere with the sign-in process. Temporarily disable them and try signing in again. Step 6. Restart your device. Turn your device off completely and then turn it back on. This clears temporary glitches that may be causing the problem. Step 7. Reinstall the YouTube TV app. Uninstall the YouTube TV app and then reinstall it. This can fix corrupted files or software issues. Step 8. Check other devices. If you use YouTube TV on multiple devices, signing out on one device may affect the others. Make sure every device is using the same Google account credentials. Step 9. Review your Google account security. Open your Google account security settings and check for unusual activity. Security alerts or account changes can force you to sign in again. Step 10. Contact YouTube TV support. If YouTube TV still keeps asking you to sign in, contact customer support through the YouTube TV Help Center for additional assistance. And that's it. If this video helped you fix the issue, be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below if you have any questions.